Hello, my name is Tyler Freres. I'm the Vice President of Sales here at Freres Engineered Wood. We are a 103-year-old company that focuses on innovation of wood products and especially engineered wood. We produce a wide range of commodity panel products made out of veneer, such as plywood. We also produce LVL products. And more recently, we created our own type of mass timber product made entirely out of veneer-based and LVL material that we call the Mass Ply product. This product can be used for a variety of uses, such as your roof, your floor, your walls, but we can also create products that are equivalent to glue-lam out of veneer as well. So our LVL-based beams and columns can perform in an equivalent fashion as any type of glue-laminated timber. Through our Mass Ply facility, which is at a 182,000 square foot facility, we can efficiently make almost any type of mass timber product. Our Mass Ply manufacturing facility is one of a kind. There is really nothing like it in all of North America or even Europe. We have a full team of sales engineers and project managers that can help you with almost any type of project. So our focus as a company is to try and create some of the greatest engineered wood products of the future. The door is just opening for architects, engineers to be able to design with this material, to come up with new formulas and new ways of building that are not only visually exciting, but also structurally exciting. With a mass timber building, we know exactly where the wood came from. We are 100% Oregon made. We are built in America, and we are manufactured in the Santiam Canyon in Oregon. Our timber supply comes from within a 100-mile radius, all of it within the Oregon community. We are very excited to be partnering with SPEC Toolbox. We hope that this is an avenue to remove a little bit of the enigma and the mystery around mass timber construction, to compare effectively against all the other building materials, to know that not only are we the best aesthetic, not only are we the best from the biophilic perspective, but we also can be the best when it comes to the cost competitive nature of our materials. So SPEC Toolbox for us is an educational instrument in which we can start to penetrate additional markets that have so far been a little bit leery about using this type of material. Thank you all for your time. I hope you dig deep into SPEC Toolbox and use it to really explore the opportunities that we have in this new mass timber industry.